Hello from Morgan Engineering and Surveying. This short video will answer your questions about the setting of property corners. Clients are sent a stake waiver form after they place a survey order. This stake waiver form is an industry standard form that provides the clients the option to request corner markers to be installed or decline this service. The most common reason why a client would want or need corner markers is because they want to install a fence, pool, new landscaping, or want to verify their boundary location. When we at Morgan Engineering do our surveying fieldwork, we look for existing, previously set markers. If we find markers, we flag them and show exact location on the survey. Property corners are most commonly 18-inch rebar pounded or driven flush to the ground with our professional surveyor's license on a cap. These are not for homeowners to set. These markers may also be concrete monuments, which are typically set when a subdivision is formed. When a marker falls in a location where it cannot be set, it may be installed at an offset from the corner and will be shown with the offset on the survey. If the corner falls in a hard surface, surveying nails with surveyor's license number on a washer is commonly placed. If you as our customer elect to get corner markers, they're installed on the second visit to the property after we have received full payment for the survey and the corners. If you are unsure if you want the corners set, they can be set any time after the survey is completed. When we return to set the property corners, we place a witness post. A wood lath is placed next to each rebar. The lath is wrapped with a bright ribbon so the corners can be easily found. Thank you for watching our video and considering Morgan Engineering and Surveying for your project.